Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a master grade Gundam Barbatos from Bandai, and on today's video, I am going to build this. This kit had a lot of parts that create complex moving parts. Some of the parts were small and some were delicate. However, the build itself was simple thanks to a well laid out instructions and Bandai's superb engineering. Following the instructions, I cut off each part from its screws and cleaned them with files and sandpapers. Thanks to small and well located connection points, taking the parts out from the screw and cleaning them was very easy. Once each part has been taken out and cleaned, I'll assemble them following the instructions. Thanks to the well laid out instructions, even the assembling complex part was very easy. This kit was so well made that even with a careful cleaning, it took about 5 hours to finish the whole assembly. I purchased a separate water slide decals for this kit. So here I'll apply the included stickers to see how this kit will look like built straight out of the box. And here is the out-of-box build with the included stickers applied. Unlike the previous 1/100 scale kit, this master grade kit has a great proportion, giving it more menacing look. Its complex frame gives it great articulations too, so making an awesome dynamic poses are easy, as you can see in these pictures. Before painting, all parts were washed with a warm soapy water to remove any grease from the surface. I started painting by applying primer on each part. Once the primer is applied, I start with a dark shade of the color and gradually apply the lighter shade over it to create a nice shaded look. Sometimes I use the primer itself as a base coat to save some time. Once all paint has been cured, I sealed it using a clear top coat. Once the top coat has been cured, I began adding details. The first thing I did was to apply water slide decals. The water slide decals you see here are aftermarket ones from Delphi Decal. I apply the panel lining next using a Tamiya panel liner. For weathering, I used oil paint. Taking advantage of its long drying time, I created a variety of stains and streaks all over the model kit. I also used acrylic paint on sponge stick to create some chipping effects. Unfortunately, I lost the video footages to show you this process. And here is a finished kit. Bandai did an awesome job with this kit. Building this kit was fun and enjoyable despite its complex design. Unlike the previous kits, the proportion is right and it looks brutal and savage. It has a lot of articulation and gimmicks, so posing this kit was fun too. That and with its reasonable retail price, I highly recommend this kit. Thank you for watching this video. I'll put a link down below to my blog which will have more pictures. Please press the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more Let's Build videos.